Hi, welcome back to Not Only Carrots Cooking Show, Kids Edition. My name is Eden and today I will be making communion bread, also known as Elijah bread. Ding, 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 ding. To begin with, we will combine 1 cup of warm water with 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And we will whisk them together. They have to be like creamy, if you know what I mean. Wixy, wixy. Mixy, 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 mixy. Next, we will combine the water and oil mixture with 3 cups of stone ground whole wheat flour. Get a wooden spoon. No fingers needed. We don't add any rising agents to the communion bread because it's flatbread. And it's really crunchy. Scrape all the flour and everything into a big clump. Oops, I forgot to add the 2 teaspoons of salt. You're supposed to add this with the dry ingredients, but I'll add it now. Now we'll add 1 more cup of stone ground whole wheat flour. You can use your fingers for this part. I really like eating Elijah bread with smoothies at night. Yum, yum. Kneading hands, please. Once all the flour's combined, you'll end up with a lovely soft dough. We are going to roll it out on the bench with a rolling pin. It's easier to roll if you break it in 2, so that's what I'm going to do. You roll it until it's about 1/2 centimetre thick.
This bit I'll probably just use my hands, not my body. I'll need 2 trays.
Roll the pastry onto your rolling pin. I'm going to trim off the edges and put them where there is not enough. No. Make sure there's none hanging over the edges of your baking tray. And push it down where there's not enough. We will need 2 baking trays for this. The more the better. We're going to cook it for 25 minutes till it's golden brown. The longer you cook it, the crunchier it is. And if you've got any burnt, you can just give it to your puppies. Now it's time to get the Elijah bread out of the oven. Chomp, chomp. There it is. Once it's cooled, you just snap it into bite-sized pieces, or just get big pieces like crackers. Just enjoy chomping on it. Please get Mummy's cookbook. No, we don't need carrots. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye! And I've got a book.